Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! Oh my god, it's 2020. I don't know if any of you are like me, but I genuinely believe that 2020 is going to be an amazing year for all of us. I think it's going to be so great. I think we're going to have so many blessings and blessings and blessings. I feel like this is the year of all dreams coming to fruition. Even in church, they said this is the the tada year where everything just kind of happens. In Nigeria, Nathaniel Bassey said Ologboboro. So I'm so excited for this year and I honestly can't wait. This video that I'm about to show you guys is actually a video that's very dear to my heart, and I just thought it was absolutely appropriate because it's a new year and it's a video about new life. I was privileged to be in the delivery room when my sister gave birth to my niece, and honestly guys, it was such a beautiful experience. I can't even begin to explain how amazing it was and how beautiful it was and how much it really touched my heart and how much it just opened me up, to be honest, because in the delivery room I ended up crying, which you'll see in the video, because when she came out it was just so beautiful. I was crying like a baby, and my sister was all like, she wasn't even crying, I was the one crying. It was just such a beautiful moment, you know. But before you go into the video, I have to warn you, there's graphic content because obviously it's the delivery room, so there's a lot of, and it's a cesarean birth, so there's a lot of blood. So if you're not into blood and graphic content and just watching a delivery, don't go past this point. Just like it and carry on. Thank you. But if you are into watching a beautiful delivery and just watching the happiness of my sister, her partner, and of me, and the doctors and everyone in the room, it was just such a joyous room and the whole hospital, the whole birthing ward was just beautiful. It was just joyous. Everyone was just happy, elated, obviously births, babies, all that. So yeah, if you want to watch that, carry on watching the video and I hope you enjoy it. Again, if you don't like graphic content, please don't continue so you don't give me a dislike. Thank you. Carry on, guys. Thank you so much. Uncomfortable that is. Is it comfortable? Yes. Why? So weird. I had to keep like the way you do that, like she moves with. Yeah, move now. No, move around, baby girl. Move around for me, girl.
I don't know.
They're just trying to create space to bring her out. Sunira, yeah. You're already in. You're barely bleeding, so. Are you excited now?
No, don't touch on top. Yeah, pick your head up, Mum. Look over the top.
Just above the top. Look at her tiny head.
Hello, Mom.
Well done.
I'll cut it long for you and then you can symbolically cut it if you can't get it into the operator.
Oh yeah, I'm making a video.
Yeah, good. That's the best.
Oh, yay!
Wow.
Oh, I don't mean to interrupt. But please hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you. Carry on.
A long travel this way, eh? A long road to producing a baby.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Very long road.
Did you have miscarriages at all?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Never. Out of recovery. Hello, Ma. Are you having a cool fun over there?
Good afternoon, Mickey. How's it? Still morning.
She should have done pink, actually.
Who's in charge of fashion coordination?
She is.
But it's light blue, so
Yeah, light blue works for girls as well, yeah.
Light blue for girls. Light blue for boys.
yeah.
Listen, you got to just concentrate, for all of you, with me just for one moment.
Okay.
Because you're going to forget. No, you may. Crystal. This is your happy button. This thing, yeah. This is what's going to keep you out of pain. Right. This is the medication. It's all mixed and ready in this thing. You don't worry about this thing. This thing lives on your pillow. Okay, right. There's lots in there for the whole next.
Sibu's walking around and shit, and she just gave birth yesterday. Oh shit, baddest. Strongest gang. Oh shit, walking gang. Walking mommy, who this?
I'm gonna go for iPhone 7 contract. Or iPhone 8 contract. Bah, they're gonna give me 2. Push it. Lower lip down.
Is it in?
I think
It
so.
seems like it's in.
Seems like it's in. Yeah, she seems
I need
alright.
to push this pillow so it can support the baby.
Are these her? Is this her skin that's peeling? No,
Yeah.
that's all your things, all your juices.
I'm not afraid.
Sorry, Daddy. Is it in? Perfect.
Yeah. She pro.
Yo.
She pro. So it's not been you. Hi, pumpkin. Good day, Sarah. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it made you as happy as it made me, and I hope it also makes you feel like new life, new birth, new things will open up in your 2020 as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much, and let me know if you did a CS birth as well, if you happen to be in a room for any of your siblings, friends, anyone's birth, your mom, anyone's birth. If you happen to be in the room, Leave a comment down below and let me know. Let's share this joy together. And most importantly, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next video. Ciao.